One of the hardest things to do during Black History Month and with Black history in general is coming up with awesome, engaging, fresh ideas to teach students about Black history while meeting content needs and also not coming across as cringe. So, here are awesome ideas that you can do with your students this Black History Month and beyond. Number one, use Black history to teach language arts. So the same way you can use a nonfiction text about Thomas Jefferson, Helen Keller, or the Great Depression to teach a variety of ELA skills, main idea, context clues, sequencing, you can do the same thing with a Black history text. And to get even more engagement, how about using Black history songs?
The name is hip hop. In '73 I was born. My block body started making noise in the Bronx.
Songs that help students learn about Black history in a relevant way using language they understand.
Daredevil, ice in the veins. She was cold, man. Black female aviator, rare. Was cold, man.
While still covering content standards. With songs, you can use the lyrics as reading passages. Many songs are written to contain lots of deep, rich content vocabulary.
Mr. Double Agent spying on the British military. Posed as a runaway, he did whatever was necessary. Armistead armed the American army with stolen secrets he obtained from the British military.
While still engaging students using topics and analogies and references, pop culture uses that they find engaging. Also, it's just great to have an authentic text that connects with students in a way that they care about, not just the same boring old text that we keep recycling. Next is challenging trivia. These work great for assemblies or announcements, any type of incentive to get students really studying history. So here's one type of trivia I throw out to get people thinking about Black history and equity. So, very simple. Name 5 scientists or inventors. All right, think of any 5 scientists or inventors you want to name. All right, you got them? All right, great. Next, name 5 Black scientists and inventors. Those are the types of questions that get students thinking about, okay, wow, I can name all of these inventors, but can I name the same with Black inventors and scientists? And that's an example of trivia that doesn't simply trivialize Black history, but it really gets us thinking about, wow, are we approaching this in an equitable way? Why don't we know more about Black inventors and scientists when they actually are out there doing this work? Another fresh idea for integrating Black history into your school is to host an interview panel. You can have students role play as people throughout history, or you can bring in real live people from your community. And even now with technology, you could even host it through Google Meet, Zoom, or whatever have you. These type of interviews get students directly engaged and directly involved with Black history and allow people in your community to share their voice and to be heard. Number 4 is make it musical. Music is a huge part of Black history, and it continues to be a great way to celebrate the history and the culture. Using hip hop, and I'm talking real hip hop.
Let's go back to '73 to a birthday party in the Bronx, New York City. The address 1520 Cedric Avenue. The DJ selected the records, Clive Campbell.
Back to the days of DJ Kool Herc, Grandmaster Flash, and Cindy Campbell hip hop. Using songs that are jazz and blues and any of those other awesome forms of Black music. Sharing that with your students and then finding history that is told through this music is a great way to engage your students. Now, to go even further, how about having your students write their own Black history songs? They can do this while practicing a variety of writing and reading strategies. This will help promote more content learning as they prepare for a Black history assembly or any other type of performance. Now, if you don't have time to put it all together, or maybe you're not musical, you don't know where to begin, I have tons of rap opera musicals and plays, skits that you can check out in the link in the description. Lastly is research projects, but specifically focusing on legacy. Many research projects just basically boil down to when were they born, what did they do, when did they die? Oh, no. We got to go beyond that. One thing I think about when I think about legacy, Black excellence and Black legacy, is the life and accomplishments of Marie Van Britten Brown. She developed the first home security system to keep herself safe. Marie Van Britten Brown's invention led to the home security and building security systems we see today. ADT, Ring cameras, it started with her. Think about the impact that one invention to solve one problem that she had. Think about how it impacts so many people. See, that is where research projects should go. What is the impact on culture, on history, on the lives of all of those people in the world? That's Black history. That's Black legacy. Now, with all that said, let me ask this question. How are you celebrating Black history?